Bright Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from title above, today I am doing a review on the Apple Watch Series 7, what I think of it so far, and yeah, just my thoughts, right? So let's get right into it. Okay, so the last video you watched probably was the unboxing and the first impressions. Very much impressed with it. It's beautiful, it's absolutely gorgeous, and you can do a lot with it. So obviously I said some of my first impressions of when I was unboxing, but now that I've been using it and I've gone through it, I set it up and so on, I would definitely say that do your research. That's what I would say. Do your research before you try to set it up, to be honest. I did have a lot of like roadblocks, I guess I would say. It wasn't very easy for me personally to set it up. I had to update my phone to the newest iOS, and I didn't know I had to do that to connect my phone because my phone already has very low storage, so that was a whole other thing. So I had to update my phone, and then this had to update as well because it has to sync together, and so on. So the setup process was not very easy for me personally. I know everyone has their own experiences, but eventually it got easier as it kept going, but it definitely wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. And then coming down to how to use the watch itself, that was definitely another hurdle in itself. I definitely should have done more research before trying to do it myself. And I know they give you a little bit of a manual how to use it, but I looked at it a bit, but I didn't really read it as thoroughly as I probably should have, to be honest. So it was a little bit complicated for me. I didn't really know what to do, how to get to the main page where all the apps are, and then I didn't know certain things like the digital crown or stuff like that. So I ended up just I was trying it on my own, and I just stopped, and I'm just like, you know what, let me do a little bit of research here. Let me see what I can read up. And YouTube videos just like this one are very helpful, so watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I learned a lot more in how to use it, and I've been going through it. I love it. I absolutely love it. It is a game changer. It's really great. Yes, it is a bit expensive. It's definitely on the expensive side, especially if you want to get the Series 7. It's definitely up there. I'm here in Canada, so mine came up to 700 something. It's usually up there in that range, so it's definitely more pricey, but definitely worth it. Paired it with my phone, I can answer my texts here, I can pick up my phone calls here, so it's really amazing in that way. So I've been loving it, but my initial impression of how to set it up and how to use it, it was definitely more complicated, but you get used to it. And I think with anything new, you just get used to it, and you kind of just, your mind starts remembering what you're supposed to do, what you're supposed to press. So it's definitely a new product, especially if you've never owned an Apple Watch before. Like me, this is I've never owned one before, but I'm getting a hang of it, and then we'll see how it goes. And yeah, overall I am very happy with the product itself. It's high quality. It's the notifications, you feel it right away. If you're doing your exercise, it picks up your calories. It's really useful, and it's very helpful, so that you don't always have to have your phone in hand, especially if you're at work and stuff like that. So you don't always have to have it with you. You just leave it down, and then you have everything right here, which is a great thing. I think that's why I do like it, because of stuff like that. But overall, I am impressed with it. Definitely another great Apple product, and I understand the hype. Once again, I get it, and I really do like the Starlight color here, and it has so many features. But yeah, I'll be making a whole bunch of different videos to help people like me where that kind of struggled setting it up and stuff like that. But overall, it's a great product. I recommend it personally. It takes a little bit of time to set up, but You'll get used to it and you won't regret it. Okay, thank you DBRIGHT Squad for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye DBRIGHT Squad.